Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do pixel verification, Google pixel verification to get 1 year of Google AI Pro for free, and that also without having a pixel device obviously. So first step is what you have to do is you have to log into your desired account. So I have already done that step. So if I just go to accounts.google.com, there you will see I have logged into a Gmail ID where I will activate the Google AI Pro for 1 year. Second step is you have to close your payment profile. So what does this mean? Go to payment and subscription, and then like manage payment profile. In this account the payment profile is not there, like there is no card or there is no any payment profile. But if there is, if you see like some settings here and some cards, go to settings. Here on top you will see a page called settings, and then scroll down to the bottom and close the payment profile. That is the second step. And third step is you have to leave the family group. If you are in a family group, you have to leave or delete it. This account is, like I mentioned before, it is not in any family group. So step 3 is also completed. But if you are in a family group, go to family group option here, and then just scroll down and click on like leave family group or delete family group. So that is the third step. So fourth step is very crucial now. So you have to turn on two-factor authentication and get your email ID, password, and TOTP secret ready. So this is very crucial step. Right? First of all, I think this is like get your email ID and password is self-explanatory. So what is TOTP secret and what is two-factor authentication and how do you set it up? So TOTP secret is a 32-digit code which you will need for adding authenticator to your account. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So go to security and sign in the same page where you were before, and then go to two-step verification. And after you come here, click on authenticator and set up authenticator. After you do that, you will be do not scan the QR code, just click on can't scan it and copy this. This is exactly what you mean by TOTP secret key. So what does this help is you can just go to 2fa.online or any Google authenticator even. So you can just paste this link here and you will be able to get this code, authenticator code. So if I just click next here, and if I copy this and paste it here, my authenticator is set up. So this is needed for that. And now you can just turn on two-step verification. So after this, okay, I'm gonna skip, I'm not gonna add phone number right now. And now my two-factor authentication is enabled. So after this, what I'm gonna do now is now our like prerequisite sites are ready. Everything is ready. Now you just have to put all these details in this bot. So I'm just gonna click on this bot and start on. I mean, first of all, you have to buy credits here. So how can you do that? It's very easy. Just use /buy, or you can just click on buy credits. Then click on starter. I mean, I'm just gonna buy one credit right now, and then I'm gonna click BP20, and then I'm gonna send exactly 2.511 rupees. Otherwise the automatic payment will not be detected. So yeah, I'm gonna send exactly 2.511 to this address, right? So let me just do that. Okay, so now I have made the payment and I click on I have paid, and then like after I mean it scanned for it, and then after some time it confirmed the payment. So now I have one credit, like $2.5. I get one credit on my account. So now it is asking for my Gmail address. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the okay, let's go here and let's get the Gmail address ready. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the bot. After that I have to put my password, so I'm gonna get it ready, and I'll put my password also in the bot. Okay, after this I need to provide my TOTP secret, which is I think I have yeah, this is my TOTP secret. One thing to make sure is you have to remove the spaces before TOTP secret. So Google automatically give the spaces, you have to remove it before putting it here on this bot. So just remove all these spaces, and after that you can just, yeah, click enter. And okay, so please confirm your details. This is my email ID, this is my password, and this is my TOTP secret. So I confirmed. Okay, so now it will take some time. If I like just stay here and record, it might take the video might be quite long, so I'm gonna stop it after some time. But yeah, this is queue. So you are 30 in a queue. Okay, guys. So after you reach position 8, the what will happen is the system will log into your account automatically, and then the verification will start in a minute. So you don't have to wait too much after you reach position 8, because at once 8 devices or 8 accounts will be verified at once. Okay, so now I think, yeah, now it will be ready in a minute. I'm just waiting for it to continue now. Okay, so as you can see, after it, link is generated successfully. So my account is already verified. So I'm just gonna copy this link now, and then I'm gonna go to my browser. Okay, after I'm here, I'm in my browser. I'm just gonna paste the link which I just copied. I'm just gonna paste my link here, and here you will see 2 TB storage, Gemini app, Gemini inbox, and all. So I mean the offer is, I mean your account is verified. Now you just, what you have to do is click on start trial, click on agree, uh, and then add credit or debit card. So I have put my card detail also, which is above. So I'm just gonna go and click on save card. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, yeah, it's loaded now. And after you click on save card, uh, just click on subscribe. So here you will be able to see starting today 12-month free trial, and then March 20 you will be charged 19.99. So you just have to click on subscribe and your account is upgraded, as easy as that, eh? So okay, let me just I mean, let me show you the complete process here. I'm just waiting for this to get over. Yeah, okay. Now my account is already activated. So if I go to accounts.google.com, here you can see it is activated. If I go to Google One Stories, uh, 2 TB and all, you can see everything is activated, eh? So what are the key important tips, eh? Make sure that you only use old Gmail ID, eh? Do not use any new Gmail IDs, because the bot will actually log in your email ID from different location, and your location is different. So if you use a very new Gmail ID, your ID might get uh, flagged because of that, eh? Because it's new and it is being logged in from different location. And then the older the Gmail, the, I mean, it is, I mean, the better. And then second is, do not use Gmail account in which you have done student verifications. If you have done student verification before, and if the account is banned before, do not use the same account, eh? And also do not use same card. After that it asks for card, right? So do not use same card for more than 5 accounts. And then after you upgrade, make sure you change the authenticator code here. Go here, go to authenticator, and make sure you change this. Do not delete it, just change it. So I think after this, you must be able to verify your um, pixel. You must be able to do verification, pixel verification, quite easily. So bye bye, guys.